NOAA Weather Radio Roundup at 9 p.m. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Bastrop County, Central Fayette County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Smithville, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithville, Plum, Warda, Buescher State Park, West Point, Winchester, and Kirtley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.